Pony Jorgensen's press screw family is the perfect addition to any workshop. These press screws can be turned into customizable presses, vices, and clamps. There's no limit to what you can do. Complete with a large cast iron swivel base and a threaded screw made from cold drawn steel. The base can be removed with a screwdriver, and the 11/16 inch diameter screw can fit easily into a 1-inch hole. The head can be held in place with 2 wood screws, creating a tight hold. The swivel base is 1 3/8 inches wide by 1 5/8 inches long, providing an even clamping force over a wide surface area. And if you need a bigger base, the clamping force can be distributed over a larger surface area just by inserting a board in between the screw press and your project. Ideal for gluing projects, framing projects, repairing book bindings, and more. Pony Jorgensen screw presses are available in lengths of 9 inches, 12 inches, and 18 inches. Thanks for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Be sure to tag Pony Jorgensen on social media. We'd love to see your next project.